Did you know that over 70% of people struggle to edit files effectively online? What if I told you there is an easy way to get it done for free? In this video, you will discover how to edit your PDF files online without spending a dime. Whether you want to fill a form or edit an invoice, you will get value in this video. Ensure you watch this video to the end, because the second option I'm going to show you is much more easier. If this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this video. If you are ready, just like I am, let's get into it. The first tool used in this video is called Canva. Now, what is Canva? Canva is an online design platform that allows users to create visual content like designs of all sorts. So to begin with, we launch our browser, canva.com. I already have a Canva account, which is why it appears this way. However, if you want to sign up for Canva, what you can do is just launch a browser, go to canva.com. On canva.com, move your mouse to the top right of the page and click sign up. Now, before we click sign up, in this video we'll be using free Canva subscription. However, they have paid subscription. If you're interested, you can check it out. They have the free and the pro versions. So if you click sign up, you go ahead and fill the form. If you want to sign up using your Google account, or you just want to continue with email, go ahead and enter and then register the details. In order not to make this video long, so we will skip this part. There are two ways to upload file on Canva. The first method is go to download, go to the file you want to edit, click on it, the file. So we want to edit invoice, right? Click on it and then drag it to Canva. When you do that, you will see the file uploading already. So that's the first way to upload file on Canva. Now I will click on this one and remove it, move it to trash. The second way you can add files to Canva is click on this more over here. When you do that, you will see upload at the left hand side. Click on it and then click upload files. So from here you can click on download, locate the files you want to edit, and then you click open. Now that we succeeded in uploading our files, so quickly we are going to click on these three dots here and then open the file, or you can just click on the file directly. Here is our file. It's at the bottom right of your screen. If you can see my cursor, you can drag this bar here, just so you can zoom your file and view it well. On this file, we are going to edit it. So let's bank account holder name. So I will just quickly come here and then type, let me call it Jill Soft Global. So let's also change this one. Let's call it 6544 IFS. Okay. So so let's just leave it like this. So these are the changes we just made. Change email, and then so when you are done on Canva, you can always rename your file. Right at the top of the page, you will see at the top, you will see the name. This is the name of the file over here. So let's call it _invoice update. Invoice update. So when you are done to download the file, you point your mouse to a place called share at the top right hand of the page. Click on share. When you click share, there are people you might want to share with. You can add their name here, or the team that also have Canva as it were. So however, what we are interested in here is the download. So this download button is what you will click to download the file. So when you click download, there's a place called file type here. If you click on this box, you will see different file formats, meaning you can choose to save this file as a JPEG format file. That's picture. You can also choose to save it as PNG, which is also like picture, like image. So there are other formats like MP4, video, PowerPoint, as it were. However, what we are interested in is the suggested one, which is PDF standard. So you now go ahead and click download. Now that we have successfully downloaded our file, so it opens here, and of course the changes we made is reflecting. So here is our file. This is a file we just updated. Okay, so that is how to edit file on Canva. If you are getting value from this video, please remember to subscribe, like this video. The second tool we'll be looking at is called Sejda. So to get to Sejda, go to Google, type Sejda, Sejda PDF editor, click on it. This one does not require registration. So with this Sejda, you can carry out different conversions. If you want to convert from PDF to Word, you want to match PDF files, or you want to convert from JPEG to PDF format, everything online. All you need to do is click on easy to use online PDF editor. There's an icon here showing upload file. So go ahead and click on upload file. Let's locate the one we just updated now. So click on the file and then click open. So when you do that, it's going to show you everything on your file. So at this point, let's go ahead and change it. Let's go ahead and edit some certain information here. So we will edit the email. Let's call it info geo, and then let's change the date to we are going to change it to let's say 30th January. Due date, let's call it 25th February. Let's change this February. So whatever changes you need to make, you can go ahead and make the changes. If you want to edit the amount, go ahead and edit it. Let's call it 59. And also when you are done with your changes, there's a button here that says apply changes. Now when you apply changes, it will show you that the task is being carried out. At the end of the day, you can review your file. If you want to edit it, you can go ahead and edit. If you want to crop anything there, you want to print, you want to share. So that is, if you want to go back to editing, click back to editing. However, now that we are done with the editing, we just go ahead and click download. Let's launch our PDF. Remember to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment if you are getting value. So this is the file we just edited now. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So the email, the changes we did reflected 30th January, 25th February. Yeah, so everything is successful. Now let me throw a challenge to you. Which of these tools do you consider much easier to use? Drop it on the comment below. Let me know. See you on the next video.